God's mercy, have mercy. Driver, don't stop my job. Drop this Arizona road and Alabama. Driver, don't even itch.
Let me not even pretend that this is going to be a fun video because it's not. Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So I won't even pretend that this video today is going to be all chirpy and happy and whatever because I'm pissed off. I'm upset. Today I'm just going to vent on here and rant, and this is going to be the rant of a female driver, right? So guys, I recently got my license. Yay me. Oh, a little chime for you guys who find that like weird that I'm just getting my license. I mean, like, it's probably a year now, but whatever. It's because in Jamaica it's not mandatory that you do like driver's ed in school and stuff like that. We don't really drive early here, and it's just because most of the time you probably won't even own a car until like your like late adulthood, or you know, just because our economy is a lot different and it's harder to get a car here. So long story short, we don't really get this early out. So I would encourage all my ladies, let me just say this now, go ahead and get your license. Even if you're not going to use it, get it and keep it so that you know that you always have it, because anything can happen and you might need to operate a motor vehicle. So let me get back to the tea of the situation. Ever since I got this thing, I've been having problems left, right and center. Everybody want to come for me when I'm on the road, and I don't know why. I think I kind of know why, actually. And I'm about to tell you guys what has been happening since I've been driving. I'm a young driver, but you know, I know how to drive very well. So every time I go on the road, I have a problem because I'm either almost getting run off the road, or they overtake you for no reason, or they literally just drive past you to stop in front of you, and then them not do nothing, them just drive really slow. Men are doing these things, and I think it's because they're intimidated when they see a female driver. I'm not a slow driver. Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift, like no. I'm more like, you know, like always late, so I'm usually speeding just a little bit. Most of the time I'm not the only one in the car. I have my baby in the back seat, so when a nigga bad drive me, like, it really pisses me off because I'm like, bro, I'm not even the only one in here. No, brother, I don't know about you, but it's the same thing when you do forget yours and the same thing when you forget mine. Me did have to go drive for you just like you. So I don't understand what the problem is, why they feel like you can't drive, or why they feel like they must intimidate a woman when they see her driving. Men, I'm talking to you guys. I know some really good drivers that will give you a run for your money that are women, and they can drive and they can anger themselves on the road. So I don't know why you guys feel like you are the only ones that can drive, and when I see a woman on the road, it's like, you know, goal of just intimidate the hell out of her. Some women get scared when they see like a male driver like overtake them or bad drive them or whatever. I just get pissed off, bro. Honestly, I just get pissed off. I don't get intimidated. I'm not impressed, especially when them do this little thing. Them drive down beside you and then they look over at you like, wow, it's what? Yeah, me want woman, I'm a driver. It's annoying. It is so annoying. I don't know if it's the same in the US, because pretty much in the US you guys can drive, like everybody can drive. But here it's because most males drive and a lot of females don't drive, and probably in their lifetime they don't learn how to drive. But I'm glad I got my license from early. But I don't know what's been happening on the road, like everybody just wanna prove themselves for some reason. If you guys see the spaces that some of these guys try to get in on for overtake you, for coming in at some little space, and most of the times they can't fit, and because you don't want to cause an accident, you ease up and allow them to slide in. Bruh, no more. Enough time. Actually, confessions of a female driver right now. Whenever I see a person like irrelevantly trying to overtake me, I purposely wait till they get beside me, and then I drive a little bit faster so they can't come in, and then I let them in just to make them know say, yo, me and the boss, like, you know, don't try that again. I just become sorry for you. Like, I hate when people do that. You guys need to understand, yo, you're not the only one on the road. The road is for everybody who has a vehicle and can drive. And pretty much, honestly, Jamaican roads are nothing to like be so savvy over, because the road is not even all that nice. If you don't need to overtake me, don't overtake me, because honestly all it does is piss me off, and you're putting yourself as well as me in danger. If somebody's driving slow, don't get me wrong, I'm going to overtake you because I just want to get off the road. But if I'm going like 80, bruh, and you're trying to overtake me, bro. Come on, like, you don't need to try to do that. Just stay behind me. Obviously I'm not go slow. Where you need to overtake me for? Once they spot you and see that you're a female and you're driving, it's like them just ready. Them get ready to do everything. It's like, come on. Ladies are not restricted to the kitchen. We're not only to cook, wash your clothes, and clean the house and take care of everybody. That's not only what we're there to do. We can do what you guys do too. We're also here to be free and be liberated like anybody else. We can drive and we can do all the things that we can do. Like pretty much anything you guys can do, we can do better. This is not like some kind of gender wars type shit. No, I'm just trying to prove a point, because a lot of ladies really and truly get intimidated on the road, and honestly that used to be me. I'm intimidated by trucks, right? But no, I'm not only truck, car, and everybody I try to prove a point. No, you understand? So I really had to make this video. Please ladies, this is just a message to you guys. Don't get intimidated by these men when you see them on the road. If you're driving, hold your head straight and do your thing, because I don't know why they feel the need to like do this. Like, it's so annoying. It's not impressive, bro. It doesn't impress us. Honestly, I can speak for myself. I just get really ticked. I get ticked. I just get really ticked off. It's annoying. I just don't see the point in you guys doing all of this extra shit on the road. Just drive. It's the road, just drive. If you're going somewhere and you're not in a hurry, you don't need to speed. You don't need to show off. You don't need to do any of that ish, because it's just really irrelevant. I think it's just this kind of gender thing. I think it's just like they feel emasculated, like they feel like we're trying to take for their masculinity, and that's not it, guys. We're just trying to be independent just like y'all, get shit done just like y'all. We're not trying to like have this whole thing going on. We're not trying to do that. We're just really just out here trying to live. So why try to intimidate us by bad driving us and all them things? They're like, stop it, stop. Because it really just, and it just not work though. It's not even my car, so if you get that shit wrecked, you ain't finna just deal with me. All the irrelevant bad driving, just stop it. Because seriously, people actually meet in accidents that take lives, and it's all over some stupid ish. Taxi man, almost stop it. So enough time when you're driving, like probably like 90% of the time, a person that's going to bad drive you in Jamaica is a man who own a taxi. And I have like a full car of people in the back and people in the front, and him a drive like I'm alone in the car. Stop it. And ladies, I encourage you once again, before this video ends, go ahead and get your license. Show these niggas that they're not the only ones that can drive, because I feel like them get it twisted. You understand? We've allowed them to feel so in charge, to feel like we can't do enough for ourselves, to feel like we always have to be chauffeured, and that's not even the case. Like, that is not the case at all. We can drive. A lot of ladies can really run the road, and we can talk for myself. I handle myself on the road, bro. Best believe it. I hold it down when I'm out there. Guys, thanks so much for watching me rant today. I really needed to get this off my chest, because it's just pretty annoying to me, and I don't get why they do it. I will forever not understand, and I honestly don't even think it's something that they're going to stop, but I had to put my 2 cents in. I'm just saying, I'm a girl that can drive. If you guys feel my drift right now, thumbs up this video. If you're a woman that can drive, big up yourself. Tell me in the comment section if you guys have this problem too here in Jamaica. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and to check out all the other videos that I have. Follow my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter to keep up with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.